Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, so happy to have you back. In today's tutorial, I showed you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install using this gorgeous unit from Wiggins Hair. When I tell you the combo I use alongside of this ensures that the wig is glueless and it's gonna last a long time. I'm gonna tug and pull and this wig is literally not gonna go anywhere. This gorgeous unit from Wiggins Hair is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig unit in 20 inches and it's 250 density, so she is really thick and I'm living for the fullness of this hair. I talk more about the specs and little things that I love about this unit. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted and pre-curled, a beginner's dream. I talk a little bit more in the end about this unit, so if you want a review portion, definitely go ahead and go to the end. But if you want to see how I install this gorgeous unit from Wiggins Hair, just keep on watching and the links for this will be in the description box. Okay guys, so I'm finally finished, and this gorgeous unit is from Wiggins Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig unit in 20 inches. It is pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached as well, so all I had to do was just install this unit, and I cannot believe it turned out this good. Like, oh my god, do you see how pre-plucked this is? They definitely ate that. I don't know who plucked this, but girl, you did a great job, because I literally had to do nothing, and this wig came out just like this. I just feel like these days the wig game is definitely going towards a beginner friendly era more than how it was, where okay, if you just knew how to do wigs, you just do wigs. Because this is going to be so good and such a game changer for all the beginners who want the body wave curls. It came pre-curled and don't know how to do curls, or you're just learning how to do curls or just figuring out certain methods. This is perfect for that type of hairstyle. And I love this hair. It's very office friendly, very nice and thick, soft, and I'm not getting shedding, I'm not getting tangling. This hair is just perfect. This wig is a gem, and it is 250 density, so I know it will last a long time where shelf life is concerned. So if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous unit from Wiggins Hair, don't forget to click the links in the description box. And without further ado, I will just see you guys in my next one. Bye.